Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. This is supposed to go up on Christmas, so if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I appreciate you watching this video so much. Today is going to be my unboxings for Macy's and Ipsy and Walmart. I wanted to get this up last week, but I was grading finals. So we are filming today because finals are over. Yay! I have to go back to school though very, very shortly and start it all over again. At least I'm only teaching 4 classes this year and semester instead of 5. So slightly less grading to do. Anyway, before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy or your Macy's, or if you have thoughts, let me know as well. And let me know what you got in your Walmart. And then also kind of let me know what's going on with Ipsy because I'm very confused. This is what came in my Ipsy this month. I did not redeem points for anything. I did not sign up for refreshments, so I'm very confused. I do have my Ipsy bag and the card, and to my knowledge, I did not get any information about this. So I got this refreshments bag. Oh, I know what this is. I finally figured it out. I renewed for the year. This is the suckiest gift. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is my yearly renewal gift. And in the past, they've sent like a palette or they're sending out the refreshments as the gift. I thought you were supposed to get like a gift of a certain amount. I got this, when did I get this? A week ago, I guess, basically a week ago. And it's taken me this long to figure this out. That's very disappointing. Okay. This is the It's a Vibe Berry Bouquet candle. It kind of smells like soap. It smells more like, like a French milled soap that has like a hint of a scent. I don't really get that it has berries in it. Okay, well, at least I solved the mystery. That's kind of disappointing. Luckily, I do love the bag, although it does get glitter everywhere, unfortunately. This is what the bag looks like. It is that sparkly. It has the pink and the green, and there's a little bit of the others in the mixed in, and then the back looks like that, and it just has a little ball. And inside we have our 5 products. I'm trying to put the bag aside because I don't want it all over myself. The card actually does tell me what things are, which was very exciting. So first up, I have this Tarte Shape Tape Corrector, and this is in the shade Peach, which I think is just supposed to like neutralize. So I think I should be able to wear this under my eyes. I probably can just use it as an under eye concealer. Maybe. That's what I'm planning to do with it anyway. The retail for the full size is $30. I have bought Shape Tape in the past. I've never bought like a color corrector, but there we have it. Then we have from Goldfountain MD. This is a solution lip therapy restoring lip treatment. I do like Goldfountain MD. I don't really need any more lip treatments. I have a ridiculous amount of them. The full size of this retails for $40, and that's a 15 mil. So this is a 4 mil. It's almost a third of the size. Then we have this is the K-Boss Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette in the shade Rosy. I feel like I chipped my nail. Is that a blush? That looks like a dark highlighter. Does that look like a blush? No, I will not be using this. That is not a color for me. The retail on that is $38. I guess that's for the whole palette. But that I would count as a highlighter, not as a blush. Like that would be a very glowy blush and not in a good color for me. Like it's kind of golden. Then we have from Madagascar, I can't talk, Centella Hyaluronic First Ampule. Wow, that is, let's see. Turn that away so you can see it a little bit better. It retails for $23. Pat it on your skin. Has hyaluronic acid in it. Okay. Use it as a toner or as a serum. I think I'll probably use it as a serum. Then we have Verify Self-Absorbed Facial Moisturizer. I think this was my choice. There's not a lot of great choices last month. The retail on this one is $66 for the full size. So not a great way to start off the yearly subscription, and they raised the price. That's why I did it, because they were raising it up another dollar. I think it's going to be $16 now, and plus taxes, instead of $15. And I was like, really? I don't know. I need to quit Ipsy because they're like a bad relationship. Moisturizer I will use. Ampule I'll probably eventually use. The lip therapy, I'll try out the corrector. I'm not sure if I will use that, but the blush for sure not using that. So, nothing I'm really excited about. Let's hope that Walmart is a little bit better. And I did get rid of the box because it came just as I was leaving, and I was like, I don't want to try to pack a box. So it had this little Ziploc bag in here, and that's where I stuck most of the stuff. So I had variation 4. I do remember that. There have a few different things that you could get. See if there's anything exciting. A body lotion, okay. Liquid glow highlighter from Physicians Formula, interesting. Face buffers, it's kind of interesting. Black eyeliner, press on nails. Glad I didn't get those. They had a Tangle teaser brush. That was kind of cool. Kristen Air, I probably would have liked that. So the first thing is a bright pen, whitens without the sensitivity. It's a enamel safe, peroxide free, stain repellent, and teeth whitening. Okay, so it's like a peroxide pen. I might try that. I know like my teeth are yellow. They've kind of always been that way. Like as a kid, I had the fluoride treatment that my parents had to like paint on, just naturally kind of what's going on. But I don't use whitening toothpaste or anything like that because I have sensitivities. So like I can't have any toothpaste with peppermint. I buy cinnamon toothpaste, and it's very hard to find Tom's of Maine nowadays. I have found that like everybody stopped carrying it except Whole Foods. So last time I was there, I bought like 4 tubes of toothpaste. So I didn't have to go to Whole Foods every time I run out of toothpaste. So yeah, I don't use a lot of stuff because it's not so much my teeth, it's the gums and the inside of my mouth. And like, I can't use peppermint lip treatments very much. And if I wear them more than one day in a row, it's bad. We have an Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. That is very boring. I should probably pass that along because I definitely don't need that. I did get the Kristen S. That's kind of cool. So this is an air dry cream for all hair types. That is awesome. I will definitely use that because air dry is what I do. Then we have a Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I don't like micellar water, so I will be passing that one along. And then I do have, I did get the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Highlighter. I don't know if I need a liquid highlighter. Ooh. Let's see if we can see what color it is. I don't know if you're even going to be able to see that little dot. It's fine. I think it's more like one of those formulas, maybe put it on under makeup and use it. I don't know if I'd use it all over or to highlight points on the face. Can be worn alone or paired with your favorite Physicians Formula foundation. Okay. Not super exciting, not terrible. I'll try the pen. I'm a little nervous, but I'll try it. Day cream or air dry cream. We'll use that. Highlighter. At least it's some makeup, like something more exciting. Something that I might use given my coloring. These two, not super exciting, but $6.98 was an okay price. Oh, I forgot to say, I've been ranting at Walmart for a while, and I almost canceled my subscription because if you didn't follow the saga, back in March, they charged a whole bunch of people for 100 boxes. Yes, 100 boxes, which, yeah, it's a $7 box. But that is $700 plus tax. So a lot of us are panicking. Mine, even though I have like, if I'm don't have the money, you can't put it through. They're like, well, it was a recurring charge, so it automatically went through. And I went, okay. I was lucky my parents' mortgage doesn't have to be paid till the middle of the month, so they forwarded me the money. Well, transferred it over, and I had it in there so that I didn't get overdraft fees, and then they refunded it. Thankfully, by the end of the week, they took care of it fairly quickly, but I know it screwed up a lot of people. Then in exchange, they gave us 2 boxes for free, the summer box and the spring box, which was fine, you know, nice of that in that regard. But then we were supposed to get a $100 gift card. And I was checking my box all the time, my junk mail, because I was like, most of the time when you get the 100, gift cards, they look like junk. So I was looking every day, like did not find it. Emailed them, and they're like, oh, we sent it on this day. And I was like, I did not see it. And I've been checking, and now that's past the days when my junk email automatically like deletes things. So I was like, great, I just lost out on that $100. And that really, they should be able to tell that I never used it, and they should be able to cancel it and reissue. That's what you would think would happen. So I was bummed. I was a little pissed. I was like, okay, whatever. I'll cancel. But then the summer box was so good. Like, the summer box was really good. The fall box, I think, was pretty good too, if I remember right. This has been the worst of the year for sure. But just before Thanksgiving, like Tuesday or Wednesday before Thanksgiving, I got the $100 gift card in my email, showed up in my junk mail, and I was like, because it had a legitimate email address, and I was like, clicked on it, looked at it, was looking at it, did some Googling, because I was like, is this from place? Other people had gotten it from different things, and we're like, yeah, it works. You could click on it, it didn't open, it's just showed you a PDF, like a picture of it, and then you didn't have to add it to your wallet or anything if you didn't want to. So I opened it on my phone, I took a picture of it, tried it at Walmart. It worked. So I did finally get my $100. It just took till from March to Thanksgiving and it was March 1st to finally get it. So yay, thank you. But I wanted to update you because I've been complaining about it and was upset about it, and I finally got it. So I still have a little bit of my gift card. I bought some like groceries one day, not like a ton of stuff, but just like a couple things to get me through my last week of school. And then I did on Thanksgiving buy 2 of the Barbie movie dolls because they were available at the store in the same town as my aunt. So I did get the rollerblading Barbie and Ken. Not that I've seen the Barbie movie or like really have plans to watch it, but I'm a Barbie collector, and those dolls are ridiculous. I've been selling out all over the place, so I was excited to get them. I'm kind of a mess. All right, let's get to Macy's. This month they had a 10 off of 40, and yeah, I've already used the code, so it doesn't matter. You can try to steal it, but I've already used it. I bought a perfume with it that was on sale. It was such a good deal. So 10 off of 40. I do like the 10 off of 40 because most of the time it's hard to find something that's only $20 to get that $5 off. So they did send us a makeup bag this month. It is very tiny. I have been complaining that they haven't been including makeup bags lately. They had some awesome bags over the years. There's some that I still use that I've had for a couple years or more that I still use. This is kind of a little dinky. It's, not too bad in width, but it's hard because it's short, and like both in height and in width. So it's not probably the most practical thing, and it's not like it needs stuff in it. So I'm probably going to stuff it with paper for a while. Then we have everything in the pink paper. Oh wow, we got this looks like a full size. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I don't wear eyeliner, but that looks like a nice full size. Oh my gosh, we got another full size. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Once again, not something I use. This is also $15 a month, in case you didn't know. Then we have a Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. I don't like this mascara. It just doesn't work. It flakes on me like crazy. Then we have YSL Le Homme EDP. I will put that in my pass along to friends pile. Then we have a Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Ooh, no, I don't like their lip injection in the first place. I can't imagine Maximum Plump. It's a pretty light pink shade. It looks kind of pearlescent. Hopefully one of my friends will enjoy that. Then we have a YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer. Okay, first one I'm excited for. I will definitely use this. It's like, I feel like, I guess that's about the normal sample size. I love this primer. It's a really good primer, so happy to have that one. Then we have YSL Liebe. This is just the EDP. I don't like lavender, gives me a headache, and this is a lavender heavy scent, so I will pass that on along. And then we have a Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Hydrating Primer. I don't know if I've tried. This is a Primerizer Plus. I don't think I've tried this particular one, so I will try that. Lots of good things, but just like not a lot that I will use. So the perfumes, the fragrances, I mean, I never keep the more masculine scent, and Liebe is just not a scent for me. Lip injection, no. Just not a mascara that I like. It just doesn't work well for me. And then 2 full sizes, but just not in products that I normally use. So I'm keeping the 2 primers. That's a little disappointing. Like, I still think this was worth the money, and I have some gifts that I can give out, so it's not like a total wash, but you know, a little disappointing that the only 2 things that I will personally keep and use are the 2 primers. So that is it for my December unboxings. Let me know if you think they were good, if you think they were meh, if you would enjoy what I got or not. Let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.